What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO Stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you a couple of good news and several not so good news directly related to NIO. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video about a week ago, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that this asset completed this five-way structure from its swing high to swing low to the range of about $7.19. And we had another attempt to break this previous swing high, but it failed, because this asset from the technical standpoint hit the most probable range of trend reversal. And I pulled this fib retracement tool from its swing high to swing low, and it hit exactly 0.65 Fibonacci retracement level. And this was the second level of accumulation short positions from algorithms. And these algorithms, their main target from these two levels is here, at $6.73, which implies in worst case scenario for them about 20, almost 18% of potential profit, with the downside potential in the worst case scenario again of about 6%. And I have to say that at this point my main assumption was that we should break this range of support. And right after I made my previous video, we had another attempt to break its previous swing high, this swing high, but it also failed, and in a matter of just 2 sessions it hit again $17.1 mark. And guys, what to expect next from the technical standpoint I will show you in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you a couple of news that are very bullish on NIO, but they are quite long-term news. First of all, Dow Jones Newswires wrote this article on basically just yesterday, and it's titled "NIO's sales likely remain strong into 2024 and 2025 market talk." And the main idea of this tiny article that they have all of the chances to have very strong sales within upcoming couple of years, and definitely from the fundamental standpoint it is quite good news. The next good news is this one. NIO starts recruiting dealer partners for its main brand and sub-brand. The NIO has started recruiting dealership partners for NIO brand and sub-brand in what appears to be a move aimed at reducing expenses while expanding sales network. And this is also quite bullish news for the long-term holders, because with this step NIO try to reduce their costs, and at the same time they try to expand their presence on the market. Especially, what is more importantly, that they are doing this for their new sub-brand, and potentially we will see the launch of their low-cost, so-called low-cost vehicles compared to the current ones. We will see this launch probably in the Q2 of 2024. And yes, it also might be quite a huge catalyst, but definitely this catalyst is another long-term catalyst. And let me show you what is more important for now for NIO for the short-term perspective. Right here you can see the article that was published just a couple of days ago on Seeking Alpha, and it's titled "Why did NIO stock go down today? Biden, Xi meeting and Alibaba results." And let me quote you just these bullet points. Shares of NIO are down roughly 7% in Thursday trading after a high-profile meeting between US President Joe Biden and Chinese President Xi Jinping Wednesday failed to make significant economic progress, and Alibaba reported quarterly results that missed expectations. I have to say that they reported quarterly results that didn't miss the expectations, but they announced quite a negative forecast regarding their cloud business division. And let me quote you further. While Biden and Xi agreed to have their countries work more closely in some areas, there was no progress on tariffs each country has against each other, such as for electric battery parts and semiconductors. So, on top of that, let me show you this article that was published on November 14th, and it is China EV insurance registrations for week ending November the 12th. And right here you can see that NIO delivered and registered only 2.9 thousand vehicles, and it is a huge decrease, let me show you, of 30, almost 31% from 4.2 thousand in previous week. And the week before previous week, they delivered and registered 4.6 thousand units. This means 3 weeks in a row, this NIO has this quite huge decrease in their insurance registrations. And this is not the best news that we have at the moment. But let me show you another quite negative news, and probably you know that for now we have a lot of negative news regarding Elon Musk's endorsement, so-called endorsement of anti-Semitic post. And we know that Elon just lost several major advertisers from his X platform, and we know that, for example, Apple just terminated their contract with X, and this is also might be quite negative for Tesla stock. And Tesla is the leader among all of the EV car manufacturers on the market. And if Tesla goes down, the entire EV manufacturers market will go down as well. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me zoom out a little bit and let me show you that we have a decent range of support at roughly $7.1 to $7.2 mark, and let me connect these several bottoms with this line, and let me show you another quite interesting pattern. If I connect these tops, these 3 tops, you can see that we are forming some kind of descending triangle, and it is not the best pattern. In the majority of cases it breaks to the downside, and we have to be prepared for this, especially with the set of negative news for entire EV market, and with the set of news directly related to NIO. That is why, guys, wait for the confirmation of new trend, and for now we are in consolidation phase, and let me remind you that the price target for algo trades is at least $6.73, and this range is below, let me show you, is below that than the previous swing low that was set at the very end of May of this year. And if it breaks these 2 ranges, basically this current range of support and $7 mark, we will confirm that we are again, let me show you in details this movement. We have this movement to the upside as a failed X wave, and this also leads us to longer consolidation phase and quite lower prices for NIO. That is why you have to be very cautious, and you have to wait for more confirmation of breakout below the range of support or above the range of resistance. That is why just stay cautious, and if your investment horizon is shorter than 6 months, do not enter any position at all, because with the breakout below the current the crucial points that I've mentioned, the next uptrend might happen only within next 6 or 12 months. That's why just be cautious, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna